Hello, wagwan me people, welcome back to the next video. Today I'm with my children here. Where are we, guys? We are in London, in the town called Brixton. Yeah, in Brixton. So we're going through the Brixton, and our goal today is to get a patty. Patty is a Jamaican food. It's a Jamaican pastry filled with, you can even fill it with vegetables or with meat. And the reason why I'm in Brixton today is because Brixton is like the place where everybody knows that there is a place where to get Jamaican food here. Loads of nice Caribbean food in here, especially Jamaican. So in this video I'm taking the kids to get a patty in this shop called Healthy Eaters. It's a Jamaican Caribbean shop. So let's go in and get a patty, okay guys? Yes. Okay, say hello guys. Let's go in. Hello there, you alright? Okay guys, so we're gonna choose patty, okay, today? Wow, what patty do you have today? Lamb, callaloo. They have chicken still. Sold out. So you need to choose beef. Okay, so I'll get 2 beef and 1 callaloo, please. Veg. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so look at these nice cakes. Wow. Look at the food. This is Jamaican flag here. Flag of Jamaica here.
So that's the whole country.
This is an island. Jamaica is an island, yeah. Hello. You have a good shop here. Nice food. Do you do vegetarian food as well?
So at the moment we don't have any kind of really good options for vegetarian, but he's planning to have like the first when he started he had like a little caravan. He wants that outside.
Okay.
That's going to be strictly vegan.
Oh, that's great. I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
I will definitely come for the vegan food as well. So this is what they have here. They have fish.
Yes.
They have a ackee with saltfish, callaloo. I'm coming, Ellen. When to come out. Okay, so we have our patty now. Wait guys, come here on the side. Come here, Anthony. This is the Jamaican flag. Angie, take off your, show your hair, darling. Show how mommy done your hair. I'm good in it. Show your hair. This is what I plaited. I plaited their hair. Alright then guys, so let's go try the patty. Let's go try it outside. Come guys. Okay, give thanks. Take care. Bye bye. Alright guys, let's go out. So you have 2. What patties did you try? What patties did you say? We're gonna try it here, yeah? So okay, we have here in the back. What is it saying? 2 beef.
Wait, someone drew on it?
No, is this vegetarian? Wait, let me see. Yeah, this is my one, vegetarian. And you guys take from here, take from the back. Is there 2 in the back? Okay, give 1 to your sister. Well done. Okay.
Wait, it says VEG. What's it?
Oh, so the veg is vegetarian. Well done. Thank you.
What is this? Oh, that's
B is beef then. B is beef and V is vegetarian.
veg. I
Okay,
nearly
try
ate
it.
veg. What disgusting veg.
No, veg is good. Come on, try it.
It's like you saying beef is disgusting.
Oh, so how is it, Anthony? What do you think?
But chicken usually has you know, like inside the creamy.
Ah, the cream is inside. And beef is how?
It's
Nice
just.
beef. Good? Meat is there, right? Is it too hot? They just take it out of the oven.
Is it spicy?
Is it hot or spicy?
That's all spicy. Spicy.
Spicy or hot? What did she say?
Spicy. Anthony, wait.
He's such an actor. That boy is such an actor, isn't it? Is it too spicy or too hot? It's hot, okay. I was thinking my son can take a spice, isn't it? You like spicy food? Alright. Now, Anthony, hold the camera and you're gonna record me, yeah? How I'm tasting it.
Hello.
Hello. So do you see my hat?
Yes.
Okay. And the chef is behind me, yeah?
Yes, Mom. Mamma mia.
Alright. Wait, show my face. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try the vegetarian patty on the video. Let's go for it.
Let's see inside of it. Let's go.
I cannot show you yet because I tasted the pastry.
Look.
It says V like vegetarian. Okay, the pastry is good.
Mama.
The pastry is good so far. The real patty pastry needs to be a little bit, you know, falling apart. That's making it good. Let's see what we have inside. Look. So there's the vegetables there. And let me try properly. Nice patty. As I was expecting, it tastes really good. Alright guys, next vlog. Come. It tastes really good, the patty. One patty was £2.50, which is alright price. I'm used to usually seeing for £2, but it's Brixton and it's good patty. So yeah, very nice. You see the vegetables? The vegetables, they're good. It's starting to rain more and more. We need to find a shelter. So this is just a quick video to show you about the patties, the Jamaican patties. But I'm planning one day to come here to Brixton and do proper video and show you everything. Okay? I'm planning to come here and do a proper video, show you everything. Now it's quite late in the afternoon, everything is closing nearly. Some of the patties were sold out. The chicken patties were sold out, so yeah, we come in here a bit late in the afternoon, but I'm planning to come one day early and show you Brixton market and show you Brixton around. But when I come in the morning, I believe they will have more stuff here. And also I would like to come on the day when it's not raining, which is quite hard in England to come on the day when it's not raining, because it's raining nearly every day.
We need to come back, though.
You're coming back down in the world. Very nice. So this filling it's nice and filling. I think I'm gonna leave the other half for later. And you can see the vegetables there. I don't exactly know what kind of vegetable is that, but I can see there is peas, there is sweet corn, and there's a mixture of vegetables. Very nice. You can see. Yeah, I'm gonna put it away. What about you guys? Nice patty? You enjoying it? Show me the beef in there then. Okay, that's how it looks like, beef patty.
You need to actually get used to for the hotness.
Here is like an indoor market. That's what I'm saying. One day I will come here and show the market properly, do a long video of the market Today I'm doing just a short thing, just the patty, vegetables and fruits.
Hello, darling.
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, what's your name?
Good chef. My YouTube name.
Oh, your YouTube?
I'm doing a video on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to know my YouTube name?
I want to know you.
Liz Irie
Well,
on the YouTube.
even with the big belly.
I didn't even see your belly.
And my children.
Sorry.
But you can subscribe to me on YouTube, Liz Irie.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah, yeah,
Go
yeah?
to.
yeah. Bless up. Nice shirt. Good. Okay, so I'll give away my YouTube to new subscribers here in Brixton. Yeah. Oh, this is like a music station.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Reggae and dancehall.
Oh, nice reggae.
What country are you from?
I'm from Czech Republic.
Shit. Some black Czech David them there.
Yeah, my piggly them.
Yes, yeah. Picked them
My
enough.
piggly
You
them.
like reggae music?
Oh, I love reggae music.
In your country, do they like reggae music?
Yes, I do.
Look at my face, you'll see me soon. Yeah, he's coming to Czech
Artist?
Republic.
Artist?
He's an artist, yes.
We play reggae music.
Yeah, he play and perform.
Sorry, darling.
He plays and perform. He's going to Czech Republic soon.
You going to Czech Republic?
I'm looking to go there soon, yeah.
Oh, great.
We
To
play
Prague.
reggae music.
To
Yeah?
the capital city?
Yeah, we have to come to the capital.
Oh,
If you live in the
wow.
capital, we'll be there.
No, I don't. I live in London now. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So I'm just trying some party here in Brixton.
See,
In my picnic.
yes, man.
Yeah.
Where's it? It's a Jamaican man picking them.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you mean?
My mother-in-law, she's Jamaican.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
We love that. We love that.
Yeah.
The accent, you catching the accent.
Oh, I have Czech Jamaican accent.
Yeah, you check Jamaica. Yeah, we love that style there. Have a beautiful day.
Okay, you too. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bless up. Czech Jamaican. That's first time they heard about Czech Jamaican, I think. That's me. My Czech Jamaican accent. Yeah, so that was my tour of Brixton, showing you the patty. I believe I will come here again to show you proper everything. Alright guys, we're gonna cross the road here, but we're gonna wait for the green man. Come on, the green man is here. Come, green man. So, in this video, we had a nice patty. Everybody enjoyed their patty? You enjoyed?